If this is you trying to remove a hairband from natural hair, stop it this instant. It's so wrong. In today's video, we are going to show you how to safely remove hairbands from your natural hair without causing breakage. If you would like to see this, do stay tuned. So I packed my child's natural hair into two places using this type of hairband, which is not so good, but that's the one I had available at the moment. The first thing I want to do is get a detangling spray. You can use moisturizer and water, but in this video I used water, leave-in conditioner, Jamaican black castor and olive oil to get what is in my detangling spray bottle. So you can mix in any amount that you want, in whichever amount you want, and you are going to apply this spray in the section of hair you want to remove the hairband from. So after spraying it on the tips and around the hairband, you are going to go in with your fingers. You first hold the root of the hair with one hand and use your other hand to gently tug the hairband off the hair. You will see that it just slips off the hair without leaving any hair on the hairband, and that is the work. It's just simple, that's all. So in this video, in this section, I'm showing you how to do it on the top. I want to let you know that the hairband already had hair before I used it to pack her hair. Like I said, I ran out of hairbands, and you just want to quickly spray the detangling spray on her head, and just gently tug it off at one go, and you won't see any hair on the band. Like I said, don't mind the hair, it was there before I used it. So if you really enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to follow us on Instagram, and also subscribe to our YouTube channel, of course. And in our next video, we are going to show you how to safely detangle your child's hair without breakage as well. Do have a lovely day, and God bless you. Bye.